Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update, of course, on Manta. I have seen that less and less people are watching these videos, but overall, I mean, look, the thing is that I cover Manta every day. It's on my watch list. I look at it every day. I know that a lot of you still do value these daily updates. So that's enough for me, all right? And it's also easier for me because if I look at a crypto like multiple times a day, which I do for Manta, it's easier to update, all right? So we've had a bullish, or we're going to get a bullish update as well this video, because we actually broke out. And we talked about this yesterday. Now, I'm not sure if I named the video Manta Breakout soon or something. Yeah, Manta Breakout incoming. So that's proof that I did talk about this, because in general, what we talked about earlier is that Manta, and we're diving right into the analysis right now, but Manta was consolidating, all right, in this region. So what we saw yesterday morning when I covered Manta, is that Manta was actually gathering momentum, all right, gathering momentum and heading towards the top of the consolidation, which is obviously always very, very bullish. And it was also lagging behind alt layer a bit, which it is normally correlated to. So that's also some sort of bullish fundamental, I would say. But here you can see if it actually loads. No, it's not loading at this moment. But we do need to check this out, because then I can show you what happened, all right? And then afterwards we'll talk about what's going to happen next, or at least what I expect to happen next. Yeah, so here you can see the open interest yesterday morning was increasing nicely, and now you can see it's at the levels we were also at the 11th of February, 4 days ago, and in general it's still bullish. And it also looks like the open interest is about to break out. So overall, I'm very bullish about Manta. And it's also a textbook breakout. Here we broke out of this range above 3 and 3.05, took that break retest, and now what I think is most likely, I think this is in line with the current market direction, which I would say is still bullish. But no, I think the market direction is still bullish. We just had a bullish breakout. We're gaining momentum. So I think it's most likely will continue to go up, all right? Up to this level right here at 3.25 and 3.3. Now at that level, it gets a little bit more interesting, I would say, because as most of you, if you watch these daily updates, know, up there is actually quite a big liquidity area, all right? So you cannot see that right here. But if you check out the liquidity of the last month, you actually see that especially around 3.25, there is quite a lot of liquidity. All right, so there's a magnet to that level. That's why I expect us to get up there. But from there, it could get a bit more difficult. Now, the big question is can we actually continue gaining momentum? So will the open interest continue to go up after we hit that level? That's the big question. Because if the answer is yes, which I'll try to keep you updated on, then we can break above this. And then we can even make new all-time highs. I mean, the next price target is probably like 3.55, 3.55. And we're still not at that all-time high then. But then it is possible, all right? Because right now I think the market structure has turned into something a little bit more bullish. So with more bullish momentum, it could actually turn into something very bullish, all right? But that's something we'll have to see, because at this moment, and now I'm getting a little bit more realistic. At this moment, what's also going on is that the market is getting quite leveraged, all right? Over leveraged, I would say. So the longer that continues, the higher the chance is that we'll get some sort of a pullback at some point of time. So that's why I'm telling you, we need to await that reaction to 3.3 and 3.25. Because if we hit that level and the open interest starts stalling, or Bitcoin becomes less bullish, then there's a good chance that we'll actually have some sort of a pullback, a consolidation, before ultimately breaking above 3.3 and rallying up higher, because I do ultimately expect that to happen. But those are my thoughts, all right? I think that's what you need to know for now. Now, obviously, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments or wherever, the free Telegram group, doesn't matter. And don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. Very valuable, worth it, but that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.